Sudar here is asking if the board can work on a dual 65 volts power supply and a 4 ohms load. So I'm going to make a short video to show what the amplifier can do using a dual 65 volts power supply and a 4 ohms load.
So we have the board here. This is our dual 65 volts power supply, and we're going to do a quick video on what this amplifier board can do using a dual 65 volts power supply. So first we're going to check the output of the power supply. I'm going to turn on the supply here. So that is our negative rail. This is our positive rail. So that is our dual 65 volts power supply. So this is our 4 ohms dummy load. And we're going to use this DSO here. It's set to 1 kHz. On this power supply, this power supply powers the low voltage auxiliary power supply to power this relay here. Okay, so now the protection relay has turned on. We now have an output here. So our input signal is 1 kHz. Currently we have around 43 volts peak to peak. So I'm going to increase the output of our DSO now, so we can check how much power this board can do using dual 65 volts power supply with 4 ohms load. So it's around 130 volts peak to peak. We have a clipping here. So you can expect about 130 volts peak to peak using this amp with 4 ohms load and dual 65 volts power supply. So let's quickly check what is the power output at 130 volts peak to peak. Okay, so that's a 130 divide 2.828 pounds and base squared divide by 4. So you can expect around 528 watts RMS at 4 ohms load.